Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you this step by step how to remove the sidebar of your post or pages on your website. So you want to remove the sidebar, maybe you want to use it as a landing page. You want to use your page or post or pages as a landing page so that people can have access to them and consume your content very easily. So here is how you can do that. I'm going to show you in this. Let me quickly show you in this video here. So here on this website here, let's say I want to remove the sidebar, the right sidebar here of this. Let's say, let me use this page as an example, so you see what I'm talking about here. So as this page, this post right here, I want it to whisk to the full desktop of this website here. So I want to remove the right sidebar of the right here. So it's going to whisk to the full page. So let's go ahead and do it. So to get started, you want to go to your dashboard area and click dashboard here. So you want to go to all pages here, post or pages. So if it is post, you go to post. If it is pages, you go to pages. So this one that I want to do now is one of my pages. So I want to go to all pages. Then you choose the one that you want to disactivate the sidebar. So I want to disactivate the privacy policy. So I'm going to edit it. So let's go ahead and edit the page. Let's go ahead and edit the page there. So here on the right sidebar here is where you can activate or disactivate some items on your pages. So for example, you can disactivate visibility of your website. You can disactivate the publish. You can see the publish date, page attributes. You can add page attributes. Sidebar here, here is where you can add the layout right here. So here where you can activate and disactivate the page item. So let's say you want to disactivate the sidebar right here. So just go here and disactivate. You can disactivate the footer. You can disactivate the some element here, content container, and you can adjust the content container and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to disactivate some element. So you want to disactivate some elements and you click this. So you can disactivate the sidebar, you can disactivate the content title also here. You can disactivate the container and so on and so forth. So if you want to disactivate the sidebar, let's say I want to disactivate the sidebar, you go here and you want to choose no sidebar. Okay, if you choose no sidebar, so this page is not going to have sidebar anymore. So the sidebar is going to be removed. If you want to disactivate the footer widget, you can click here and click 0. So it's going to remove the footer also. Okay, if you want to also remove choose your content container type. So if you want to change your content container type, you want it to full width. If you want full width, or if you want content, you can just choose. If you want it to full width on the screen of your visitors, again you can choose full width. Or if you want it to contain, just remain as it is, but it's not going to have the sidebar. You can just choose contain. So I want to leave it as default. Okay, and if you want to shoot, when you finish, you want to scroll down here. You want to scroll up here and click update. When you finish, you scroll to this at the top and hit update. Now that our page has been updated, let's see how it looks like now. Let's see if the job has been done. Here's the page here. Let's click on the page. So as you can see now, the page, there's no sidebar anymore on the page. Now it looks like a landing page. So that's how you do it. And by the way, I am using the GeneratePress WordPress theme. So if you are using another other WordPress theme, your own setting might different from this one. So you want to look for look for the setting of your website for your website theme and see how you can adjust your website theme. For example, let's use another theme for this so that you understand what I'm talking about here. So let's go to theme. Let's change the theme and so let's use this theme now. So now that I've changed to this theme, let's go ahead to our page again. So you have to adjust, you have to edit the page again. All pages. So this is the privacy policy right there. So you want to edit it. Let's go ahead and edit it. So as you can see, the settings area at the right here is different as I'm using the other theme right here. What's the name of the theme? Which slide or training? So anyway, so here is where you're gonna change where you're gonna remove the sidebar. So template, you want to go to template. So you want it to be to full width, okay? So you want to choose full width page. And when you choose that, the sidebar has been removed. There's no more sidebar if you choose the full width. So when you finish, you hit update. So now let's see how it looks like on the second, using the second theme, or the other theme for the website, for the page. So as you can see, I'm using another theme here. What is the name of the theme, sir? So as you can see, there is no more sidebar. This is full width, yeah. WordPress. So as you can see, there is no more sidebar on the page. No sidebar. It is full width. So that's how you do it. If you have any question or anything, or you have anything to say about this tutorial, about this quick tutorial, let me know down below. Let me see all your comments and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.